Dear friends and family, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you for being here to celebrate the union of my daughter Sabrina and now her husband Anthony. This day is truly a testament to love, perseverance, and unwavering dedication these two individuals have shown to one another. Sabrina, my dear daughter, you have grown into a remarkable woman, one who possesses kindness, intelligence, strength, and unwavering love for those around you. It fills my heart with pride to see the incredible person you have become. And I thank God every day for blessing me with the privilege of being your mother. You have always been a source of joy and inspiration in my life, and I have no doubt that you will continue to shine in all that you do. Anthony, when I first met you, I could see the love and respect you have for Sabrina shining through. Your shy demeanor, gentle spirit, and kind heart make you the perfect match for my daughter. And I'm grateful to now welcome you into our family with open arms. Your family, Arnel, Hazel, Austin, and Ada, have also become dear to us, and we are thrilled to embrace them as part of our growing family. As you embark on this new journey of your life together, I offer you both some words of advice. Always communicate openly and honestly. Treasure your love and bond that you share. And remember to shower each other with kindness and understanding. May your marriage be filled with joy, laughter, and endless love. I wish you both a lifetime of happiness, prosperity, and unwavering love. Congratulations, Anthony and Sabrina, on your beautiful union. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. For those of you who may not know me, I am Sabi, the proud father of Sabrina, and it is my absolute pleasure to welcome all of you here today to celebrate this special occasion. I am truly thankful for the presence of each and every one of you and each of our distinguished guests, and I am humbled by the love and support we have received. I would like to take a moment to express my gratitude to Anthony and his family, the Arnaldo family, for warmly welcoming Sabrina into their lives. Anthony has shown himself to be a wonderful partner for my daughter, and for that, I am eternally grateful. I also want to extend a warm welcome to our relatives and friends who have traveled from near and far to be here with us today. My brother Jolly Mabanta and family, Obi Mabanta and his wife, Dave and family, Robin Rona, or Compares from San Francisco, Bel, Micah, and Arlene, to name a few. In this moment, I cannot help but think of my beloved parents, Lolo Piping and Lola Bel, who are back in the Philippines who are unable to come here with us today due to health reasons. I know they are thinking of us with love and pride, and their absence is deeply felt. As I stand here today reminiscing on the journey that has led us to this joyous occasion, I am overwhelmed with emotions. Watching Sabrina grow from a precious little girl into the remarkable woman she is today has been one of the greatest joys of my life. From our family trips to the farm in Pinilla, Rizal, to her love for music and drama, every moment shared with Sabrina holds a special place in my heart. I also remember teaching her how to swim in the spring-fed pool on the farm, It was a special bond we shared, and I will never forget the sheer joy on her face as she conquered her fear of the water. She also shares my love of rock music. And as proof, she knows most of the Led Zeppelin songs my generation I have always believed that God has a plan for each of us, and I am grateful for the way He has guided Sabrina throughout her life. She has a kind heart, a fierce spirit, a contagious zest for life. Seeing her walk down the aisle today filled me with much pride and love beyond measure. I am confident that she has found a wonderful partner, and I am thankful for the love and support they bring to each other's lives. I offer you both this advice as you embark on this new chapter of your lives together. This was actually already mentioned by Father Moalos earlier during their wedding ceremony, but I'd like to repeat, always remember, actually this was said also by Hazel earlier and Arnel, love is not just a feeling, it is a choice you make every day. True love requires effort, patience, and the willingness to put your partner's well-being above your own. In times of joy and in times of trials, choose love, choose kindness, and choose forgiveness. Communication is key in every relationship, so take the time to truly listen to each other and to express your thoughts and emotions openly. Remember to always choose your words with love and respect, even in moments of disagreement. And never underestimate the power of a simple apology. It takes strength and humility to admit when you are wrong. As you navigate the ups and downs of marriage, always remember the foundation of love and commitment to each other. Now, on the lighter side, I would like to share with you some fun advice on marriage. There's 12 here, so I don't know if I should go through them, but the number one is, marriage is a relationship where one person is always right, and the other person is the husband. Number two is, if your spouse says they'll do something, they will. Yeah. No need to remind them every 6 months. Number three, never laugh at your spouse's choice. You're one of them. To keep the marriage brimming, whenever you're wrong, admit it. Whenever you're right, shut up. You want me to go on? No. Okay. Maybe just a few more. One more. Okay. If your wife says she'll be ready in 5 minutes, she's using the same time scale as when you say the game has 5 minutes left. To end my speech, I would like to say, may your days be filled with laughter, love, and unwavering support for one another. Congratulations to both of you, and cheers to a lifetime of happiness together. Cheers. Okay. Let's raise a glass to the newlyweds. Cheers.